Hello and welcome to our day 12. We are still in our 30 days SQL challenge, and today we are covering the in operator. In operator, that is what we are covering today. What does this in operator does? It lets you filter for values within a specified set. Probably you have written that test or exam where you have the question and then you have the option, either it has to be A, B, C, or D. Something like that with the in operator. And it's actually useful when you need to check for multiple conditions on the same column in a cleaner, more efficient way than using the other conditions. So that is what the in operator is used for. Let's say I want to find actors from specific last names. Still using our Sakila database, I'm going to select my asterisk from actor, select from actor. My filter, I'm going to filter where last name, then the in operator comes. So I want to select from actor where my last name, then my open bracket, my apostrophe. First, the last name should be Williams. I'm saying the second last name should be Johnson. You have to make sure the names are the same name in your table. I think they are all in capital letter. Then, sake of your work to be neat, give it a space. Another apostrophe, Brown. Then I'm going to close this. So my query is from this actor table, the whole of this actor table we are seeing. This actor table. Select from actor table where last name. In the columns you could see there is a place for last name already. But in that last name, I still want to filter. I want the last name should be Williams, Johnson, and Brown. Let's see what this in operator is capable of doing. Did you see that? So it selected only Williams. Only Williams. So it checked and there was no Johnson and there was no Brown, and it selected only Williams. So I'm just giving it three options and I want you to filter according to three options. If you didn't see Williams, maybe you see John. If you didn't see John, maybe you see Brown. That is the power of the in operator. Then let's look at second example. Let's say I want to select countries in specific continents. We are using our world database now. Let's activate our world database. Use world. I've activated my world database. You could see it's dark and active. It's dark and active. It's dark and active. So I've selected it. So what am I saying? I'm saying select name. I'm looking at country. Inside country table, we have columns. And what is the columns? Name. Select name. I'm writing it according to how it is in the table. Make sure the spelling are the same with what is in your table to avoid error. Select name and continent. From country. Is there continent? Yes, there is continent. There is name. From country table. From country table. think the country is in small letter. The country here is in small letter. So you could see this, select from actor. I'm selecting the whole table. Now I'm being specific of the columns to be selected from the table. So I'm sure you know when to use apostrophe and when not to use it before the from. I'm sure know how to do that for now. From country, then I'm going to filter. I don't want everything. Where continent, then your apostrophe is Asia. Don't forget your comma, is Europe. Did you see that? Let's try selecting this once again and see what it will bring. So it selected all the name and the country, but I'm applying filter and in. I'm trying it that it should return countries where the continents are either in Asia or Europe. Let's do the whole thing. Could you see? Every continent now is either Asia or Europe. Asia, Europe, Asia, Europe, Asia, Europe by the power of in. After the in, you have to give it the options. So I'm not selecting all the continent. I just want countries with either Asia or Europe. So you see how in is more efficient and readable than writing out multiple or conditions. So we want to filter based on multiple values in the same column. You use it. So that is it for in operator. It's simple but powerful way to filter results based on specific set of values. So I want you to try it with different tables and see how fun it is. Thank you very much. Today we have just looked at our day 12. So see you tomorrow for day 13. Thank you.